Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to share this recipe with you, made from 5 wonderful ingredients. It is good for your heart health, digestive health, respiratory health, bone health, skin health. It is also good for blood sugar regulation, weight management, hydration, as well as metabolism. We're going to use apple, grapes, pear, cucumber, and peppermint leaves. So I'll dice the cucumber, apple, and pear and merge everything together. I also add some water to enable it blend smoothly. Take this for healthy living. If you're unable to consume all immediately, store it in the refrigerator. Just store it in an airtight jar and keep refrigerated. Consume within 3 to 4 days. Try this out and you'll be glad you did. It is refreshing and healthy. Kindly like, share, subscribe for more. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I publish a new video. Thanks for watching.